Oh, my GPS went away. I forgot.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Adirondacks.
No, I think it does show it. Yeah. So we got an hour. It's our camping spot. We got the one we wanted. Last time there was somebody here. We got a nice fire pit. It's nice and clear. And then there's this really nice river over here that we'll be able to look at. It's a little low, but it's still really nice. The water's super clear. And it goes down there, and then we're camping like in the woods over there. So we're super excited to have gotten the campsite we wanted. It is the weekend, so we were kind of worried about people being here, but nobody is. Got the rain fly on for the rain.
Oh, yeah.
Tell them how you're happy we're not hiking.
I love not
Well, we
hiking.
are hiking, but we're doing a waterfall hike.
And it's so short. I'm so happy.
It's not short. It's like 7 miles, but it's flatter than a mountain up here.
Well, yeah. Normally, I'd be doing 7 miles and 5,000 feet. Todd.
Yeah, so we're in the High Peaks region, and we were gonna do Wright Peak, but it's supposed to be really crappy this weekend and rain, but we decided to still come, so we're gonna do a waterfall hike instead, because at least you can like see the waterfall. You know, when you hike big mountains and it's rainy, you don't see anything. So I'm gonna spare Hunter over there from hiking for no view, so we're just gonna do a waterfall hike. I've done 3 High Peaks, he's done 2, so you know, he knows how it is here.
Hey, camera. People of the AC community, considering I'm not a hiker, so I have to say it like that. She's also coming back in 2 weeks to do another one.
Actually, the one I'm coming back to do is not a high peak. It's Indian Head and Rainbow Falls. It's not a high peak.
I'm sorry.
So I've done Giant Mountain, we did Porter and Cascade. So, yeah. All right, we got a fire going. There he is in the tent. And then I'm cooking for us. He's eating chili mac with beef. Yeah, that's what Hunter's having. And then I'm having mac and cheese.
You see those blue flames? I bought the color change.
I don't
of
think
flame.
you can see them.
You can on this side.
Can you?
Right.
Yeah. All right, there's his blue fire. We found it.
Because somebody didn't want me to get s'mores, so we had to have fun some other way.
Up next on the menu is this. I don't know, it looks pretty good. How was the campsite?
Not bad.
Yeah.
Our first night was good. Gabby's mad because today was supposed to rain, so we're not hiking a mountain. But it's not raining yet. Also, she is a bad person to sleep next to because she needed me in the back all night. Other than that, pretty good.
Okay. I couldn't get a reservation anyways, so we wouldn't have been able to hike, but
Yeah, that's okay.
I wanted to hike. High Peak. He's happy though.
Yes.
The morning view. It was supposed to rain today. It's definitely really cloudy out, but I don't know if it's gonna rain. So I think our plan today is to go to a diner, and then we might go into Lake Placid, and then tomorrow we're gonna do a hike. I just walked out on the rocks. We were taking a walk in the woods, checking out the river. We found another campsite way back in. So that's kind of cool. So we could have probably camped here that night when that other guy was here. We would have had to walk past.
Yeah, a long way past with that big massive tent and all of our stuff.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that sucks about having such a big tent and pain in the ass to carry all the way out here.
All right, so today we went to Lake Placid, and kind of hung out, walked around. Now we're back at our campsite. We're gonna have a fire and cook dinner, and then tomorrow morning we're going hiking, which I'm excited about. Oh, what are you doing over there?
Oops, that went the wrong way.
Hiking. What are we doing? Your favorite activity?
Hiking.
He loves hiking. We're going to a waterfall. If we continued, we could go up like 6 high peaks.
We won't. You can go along. Give me your keys.
That's cool. I wonder which mountains those are.
The waterfall's gonna look like we're gonna be sad.
Why? Oh.
You know how much of a trickle it is?
Hopefully it's better than that.
One can hope.
If not, we can go up Dial
No, we can't.
or Sawteeth or the
Nope.
Gothics.
I'd rather deal with the trickle.
What were you gonna do when we hiked Wright Peak?
Leave your ass.
No,
and
you
go sit
were
in the
not.
car.
No, you were not. You were gonna hike it. Huh? Oh. Clear water. Shrooms. Hunter likes shrooms. That's cool. Yeah, all these mountain rivers are really clean. Got to our waterfall. Go stand and show them how big it is. Go stand over there. Go ahead.
You're the center of the YouTube channel. Give me your phone and you go stand over there. Goes way up there. Oh.
Hi. He's cute. I want to take him home. Hunter found him.
You don't have anything to put him in?